Part 1. Fundamentals of electrical quantities. 1. What is the electric circuit? An electric circuit is a closed loop that allows electric charge, current, to flow from a source, through a load, and back. Think of it like a plumbing system for charge. 2. Defining voltage. V. Voltage, measured in volts, V, is the electric potential difference between 2 points. It's the push, or pressure, that drives the electric charge. 3. Defining current. I. Current is the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor. Measured in amperes, I, it's the quantity of charge passing a point per second. 4. Ohm's law connection. Ohm's law, V is equal to I*R, where R is resistance, establishes the fundamental relationship: voltage is directly proportional to current in a resistive circuit. 5. Defining electric power. P. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is transferred or consumed. It's a measure of how fast work is being done. 6. The power formula. In a simple DC circuit, power is calculated as the product of voltage and current. P is equal to V*I. 7. The unit of power, the watt, W. The standard unit for power is the watt, W. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule of energy consumed per second. W is equal to 1 Js. 8. Defining electrical energy. E. Electrical energy is the total amount of power used over a period of time. E is equal to P*T. This is what you are built for. 9. The role of time. T. Time is critical. A high-powered device used for a short time may consume less energy than a low-powered device left on for many hours. 10. The billing unit, kWh. While watts measure power, energy is measured in watt-hours, Wh, or, more commonly for billing, kilowatt-hours, kWh. The K stands for kilo, or 1000. 11. Key unit conversions. Remember these key relationships. Kilowatt, kW, is equal to 1000 watts. Kilowatt-hour, kWh, is equal to 1000 watt-hours. 12. Summary of the energy equation. The core takeaway: energy, kWh, is equal to power, kW, * time, h. This simple equation is the entire basis for electrical energy measurement and billing worldwide.